Welcome back to Bad Back Garage. This episode, we work on my 2006 D40 Navara, I think, Spain built, something like
Do bad back garage.
that. Well, it needs a service, and don't know what else it needs. I've got to put no 2 cents in it, but that's not gonna. No, it won't happen this episode. I'll just get it ordered at least. But yeah, little rundown. It's a 2006 D. I'll see if I can zoom that out a bit. Yeah, 2006 D40 Navara. It's got a 2-inch lift from West Coast Suspension. Bloody awesome bit of gear for the ABS line's a bit of awesome gear for the price. I think I paid it was under $2,000 anyway for the kit, but the rear end walks pretty well. That's full droop there. I had to get longer shocks, longer brake lines. But yeah, she's a roughie. I think all I've done to it, there's a 2-inch lift. I put a aftermarket canopy on it. Just got to get past you, just past the dogs. I picked up for like $500 ages ago. It's the wrong colour, but it's got a big scratch down it, which I don't really care. And a set of drawers in the back, and that's about it. Typical broken radio surround. It is an auto, which I bought it for that reason. 2.5 litre, I think, 4-cylinder diesel. Let me get this bonnet open. Yeah, there you go, hit back. All I did was intercooler pipes, the stainless steel intercooler pipes. When I bought them, they were shit. They kept falling off, but I just put a bead around them and fixed that problem. But it's got 220,000 kilometres. It does need a lot of love, but it is just my my work hack, I suppose. It does all my towing and running around for myself. So it sort of just gets used and abused. I'm hopeless I don't wash it much. About to go camping. There's a bit of crawl there. About to go camping this week, so I figure it's due for a service. Get in, service it, just check over fluids, do a bit of maintenance to it if it needs any. Probably write a big list of all the stuff I need to get, and then finish that in another episode, because I'm just going to do a service basically and check over it all. But yeah, I'll get it up in the air, because it's the first place I'm going to look, because I just drove it in. The engine's a bit warm, so I'll just get up on the hoist. Well, got it up in the air. Well, it's not that hot. I've got a 3-inch stainless exhaust, which is covered in oil. So there's the hole underneath the car. I actually need to put a muffler in it, because it sounds, you can't even see it. It sounds fucking hideous. Like a big wet fart. Just trying to work out a spot to put a muffler in it. God, this has got a bad oil leak. I'll show you the oil leak. There's some of it. But it's all from the front. This thing will never, ever, ever rust. It's I don't know if you can see right up in there, but it's bad, like real bad. Another thing I've done is I've got another transcooler on it. I run 2 transcoolers on this thing, a factory one and then another bigger one in front, because of the towing I do. But yeah, she's nice and oily. But well, that's life, eh? So I'm going to put the camera down and just go over it quickly, because it's just easier to do it off camera, and if I find anything wrong, I'll let you know under here. Oh, sorry, I'm pulling dirt out of the cross member. But yeah, I'll get back to you. Well, I did find 2 problems. I'll show you that one. See if we can get under there to lower ball joint and CV boot. So I don't think I'll get them done before I go out. We're only going on a local camping trip, so I'll be right for now. I've got a fair bit to do still before we go camping. I might I'll get them ordered at least. I have to do a bit of a list of those parts, so I'll get them ordered. When we go full drive, and I won't go through any bog holes, I guess, with that CV boot the way it is. The other ones are all good. So it might have been from my full sick flex antics at the Springs for the first time I took this out. So I'll drop the oil while it's up, check the diff oils while I'm here, and then I'll get back to you. I don't know if you want to watch this stuff, but I think I could do it on time lapse anyway. I got this little gear wrench sump kit. I know it's probably a gimmick more than anything, but I like it.
Well, they ask me why I sound like this, with a 6-string growl and a hammer fist twist. Why I talk back when I should behave, why I show up loud like I'm digging a grave. I say, son, I ain't here for your rules or permission. I was raised up proud on a rebel ignition. 'Cause I was born to raise hell, it's in my bones. Cranking Skinner loud on a rotary phone. My daddy drank whiskey, my granddad did too. So don't be surprised when I howl like a fool. I don't sit in silence, I don't play it small. This outlaw blood don't blend at all. You call it trouble,
I just went hunting through my parts box, and I got some lower ball joints and a fuel filter, but I don't have an oil filter. So I might just quickly throw this. I think I've got some oil, hopefully. Oh, nope. It's in this. Oh, diesel oil, look at that. So I've got some bit of premium mineral oil. Never sponsored, but I might just throw that in, so at least it's got some oil in there. I don't think it's like a Ranger that we have any issues with starvation on these things, but I'm just gonna throw something in there for now. Get that dust out of there. Oh, yeah. Never get that bloody cap off. For some reason this cap has always been a pain in the ass to get off. Well, I've got nearly 4 litres of oil there, so that's a start.
family tradition. Wine in a 3-piece suit, I shotgun beer and scuffed up boots. You can keep your manners and your champagne crowd. I'd rather 2-step with the bar lights down. They said you're too rough, I said damn right. I was cut from leather and Friday night. 'Cause I was born to raise hell, it's in my name. Ain't here for clout, I ain't playing no game. My mama lit fires and my uncle raised Cain. So don't look shocked when I'm
gonna go for a a little dry, go get some oil and a filter so I can finish this off. Yeah, get another air filter too. That's pretty shit. Just went and got some oil filter, an air filter, and I'm going to stick a bit of Lucas in it because why not? There's another 3 litres. Oh. Make sure you actually put the hose in the hole. I've missed it before, and yeah, a few litres all over the engine. That was pretty silly. But I might grab you and show you how to do the filter from under here, because it's a bit easier. So if you just stick your hand up through that big hole there, oh, I don't know if you can see now, but yeah, you can get your hand up on it up there. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, it's up there. This is where you pull your funny faces, where you got your arms stuck up, trying to tighten your oil filter by hand. Oh. So, just got to get the car down now, and I'll got to get some brake cleaner around that oil filter because it's, yeah, oh fuck it, I probably won't. I don't know what I'll do. I got to get the car down anyway because filter's done. Hey, got to get some brake clean in the vicinity where I've been working. Yeah, I don't think I did anything then, but oh, make me feel good. Just gonna make sure this is right. Trusty Phillips head. Oop, that's scary. Maybe you shouldn't use that, and I'm gonna go shit myself. Let's just say that chocolate and being over 40 don't go too well together, if you understand what I'm talking about. Well, the phone went flat yesterday, and airbox lid sits funny. So I was saying that when I do the air filter, I always clean the MAF sensor while I'm there. Just do it every single time, and that's about it. That's all I did, and struggled for about 20 minutes to put the air filter lid on because the air filter is super thick, and that was fun. But I think next I've got to do is catch can. Oh fuck! It's got the finger jam between there. So this is something else I did to the car. I forgot I'd done this. I don't know how to open it. Oh, there it goes. And there's a little bit in there. I'm guessing I brake clean this or something. I'm not entirely sure what I'm supposed to do with it, but that's what I'm going to do, I think. So I'll get that out and give that a quick clean. Well, I tried to clean the filter. I don't think it was a good idea. I ended up covered in oil. There's a part number, I think I might just order a new one. And Not sure if you're supposed to clean them or not. Oops, I'm getting shit everywhere now. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to clean that filter or just... Fuck knows, to be honest, but I just drained the catch can out. There's a little pipe under the car, that I can just do a tap on and it comes out underneath. But yeah, let's just say the filter's outside drying. I did brake clean it, then I degreased it, and spraying degrees up there at high pressure wasn't real smart because it just come out back at me. But you know, shit happens. Someone's got to make these mistakes, but I'll let that dry for a bit because I don't know how much suction that's going to have when the car's running, how much crap it's going to suck back through out of that filter, like as in the aerosols. I mean, should only suck it like a vapor of it. It'll probably make the engine knock a little bit if they're still brake cleaning it. So I have washed it and everything. So yeah, we'll just we'll leave it at that and pretend I never did that. But next on the list is I'll gotta get the car up in the hoist again, just do a quick rotation of these tyres, and I'll do that ball joint while I'm there. Seeing that I've got it, I might do both sides if the first side does easy, the first side goes easy, but we'll see how that goes anyway. All right, I'll get this wheels off and
Bad back garage.